Hi everyone, I'm Eric from Midas. Thanks for joining me here at Music Group Studios. I'm excited to show you our DL16 16 input, 8 output digital snake, perfectly designed to work in conjunction with your M32 and X32 family of digital consoles. This is great for your front of house or your house of worship installs, because all you need is an AES-50 Cat5 cable running from the console to the stage. Really clean setup, which is what you're looking for. So what you're looking at here is your first 16 inputs and your 8 outputs. Okay, you can cascade 3 of these together, giving you 48 inputs and 24 outputs to work with as well. Now again, these are going to be your Midas Pro Series microphone preamps, so it's great to have those on the stage end. Now there's a couple of controls here in this section. You have your gain, you have your 48 volts, phantom power, and you have your configuration button. So once you engage the gain, you can use this rotary encoder to make your contribution to any channel that you select. And same thing, whatever channel you have selected, you can hit that 48 phantom power and get your phantom power on that, so that way you can get any of those condenser microphones working on stage for you. And then we've got the configuration button, and through the rotary encoder as well, you can change your sample rate or you can change it to a master or a slave mode as well. Again, we can do 44.1 and 48 kilohertz on this unit as well. And then right next door is your monitoring section, which will give you the ability to plug in your headphone via a 1/4-inch input jack, and you could do all the monitoring on stage. So that's a great advantage. So that way you don't have to keep running back and forth from the stage to the console. Okay, so on the back of the unit is where all your connectivity happens. All right, so we'll go ahead and start at this USB port right here, where you can do all your firmware update via your PC. And then we've got our AES-50 dual AES-50 ports here, where you use to connect to your console and to cascade other DL16s together. All right, so right next to your dual AES-50 ports is your ULTRANET bus, which is really cool because now you can tie in your P16 personal monitoring systems, or you can use it with ULTRANET equipped devices such as your IQ speakers from Turbo Sound. Really great option. Right next to that is your ADAT outs. So now you can hook this up to your ADAT and do some multi-tracking straight from the snake on stage. Really cool feature as well. And then right next to that is your Midi in and out, which in standalone mode will give you the ability to adjust any head amp or gain adjustments, as well as your 48 volts or phantom power. And of course, you've got your IEC connection for power and your on-off switch. So there you have it, the DL16 digital snake. Now you have the advantage of having Midas Pro Series microphone preamps at the stage end and all your monitoring and configuration ability right from the snake. I'm Eric from Midas. Thanks for joining me here at Music Group Studios. For more information, please be sure to visit MidasConsoles.com. I'll see you next time.